Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to talk about HTML paragraphs. So HTML paragraph always start in a new line and it contains block of text. So to create the HTML paragraph we use the p tag. So we have the opening p tag and the closing p tag, and inside the p tag we write our paragraph like welcome to the HTML tutorial. So this way we can create paragraph using the p tag. And even if we put some extra space or the line break, but the browser will remove all of those extra space and line breaks while displaying the page. And you can see we have put some extra space and the line break, but the browser is removing all of those extra space and line break while displaying the web page. And next we're going to talk about the horizontal rule. The hr tag is used for the horizontal rule, and it is used to separate content in a HTML page. Like an example, we have used the hr tag and we have created the horizontal rule in the web page. And the hr tag is an empty tag because it has no closing tag. So now we're going to talk about the br tag. The br tag is used for line break. Like an example, we have used the br tag inside the paragraph to have the line break. And the br tag is also one empty tag because it has no closing tag. So next we're going to talk about the pre tag. The pre tag defines pre-formatted text. So whatever the content we put inside the pre tag will preserve all of the space and the line break. Like an example, if we write some text welcome to the HTML tutorial, and if we put some extra space or even if we put the line break, so all of those extra space and the line breaks will be preserved and will be reflected in the browser. And you can see we have some extra space and line breaks rendered by the web page, and that is because of the pre tag which preserves all the space and the line breaks that we put inside the pre tag. So this is the way we can use different tags to create and format paragraph in HTML. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.